Small businesses desperately need marketing, but hiring an agency is expensive. This is your opportunity. With AI, you can start a marketing agency for $0, helping businesses grow while making thousands of dollars per month. All you need is a laptop, internet, and the right AI tools. Want to know how? Let me show you step by step. Look at a small business, a coffee shop or an auto repair service. They need customers. Traditionally, they'd have to pay a marketing agency thousands of dollars for ads, social media, and content creation. But today, you can offer them high-quality marketing at a fraction of the cost using artificial intelligence. Businesses spend hundreds of billions on online advertising, but most small businesses can't afford to compete. That's where you come in. AI allows you to create professional marketing campaigns in minutes without needing a big team or expensive tools. And the best part? You can do this completely automatically with AI. So how do you build an AI-powered marketing agency and start making money? Here's the exact process. First, choose a target niche. You need to decide who you will help. Some great options are local restaurants, real estate agents, fitness trainers, e-commerce stores. These businesses need marketing, but they don't want to pay big agencies. That's where you step in. Second, use AI to create content for clients. Now, here's the secret. You don't have to create anything yourself. AI does it for you. Here's how. ChatGPT writes ad copy, social media posts, and website content. Canva creates professional-looking designs and graphics in minutes. Pictory automatically generates social media promo videos. AdCreative.ai builds high-converting ad creatives with AI. With these tools, you can offer full marketing services without hiring a team. Third, offer your services on Fiverr or directly to businesses. Now that you have the tools, how do you find clients? Start by listing your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or your own website. Offer packages like social media post creation, ad campaign management, video editing for Instagram and TikTok, Facebook and Google Ads setup. With just a few clients per month, you can start making serious money. So how much can you charge? On Fiverr, simple Instagram posts sell for $20 to $50 each. Full advertising packages can go for $300 to $500. If you land just 5 clients per month, you can make $1,000 to $3,000 easily. And if you set up monthly subscription packages, you can create a stable and growing income. The best part? You can start today with zero investment. Here's how. 1. Pick your niche. Decide who you want to work with. Restaurants, realtors, gyms, etc. 2. Learn AI tools. Watch free tutorials on YouTube. 3. Create sample work. Use AI to generate content and showcase it on Fiverr. 4. Find your first clients. Reach out to businesses on social media or in networking groups. In just a few weeks, you could be running your own AI-powered marketing agency. So, what do you think? You have 2 choices. Keep waiting or start building your AI marketing agency today. If you want more tips on AI and online business, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more.